I just want to know if she was on a date with my husband.
Gotcha. And what's
No
her name again?
Switch
This
out for
other
a point
woman?
round over bid.
It's
This week's just going to go through and add.
Well, get the number for us, because when we get back, we will call Crystal, and we will find out exactly what was going on next. The idea here is that, we can get her to admit that she was on a date. That's what we're trying to go for here.
Off the machine. It's pretty cool to see a part come from basically nothing.
Hello?
It's very different than milling on a
Hi,
CNC
good morning. I'm
where
trying to reach
exact-
Crystal, please.
Yeah, this is Crystal.
Hey, Crystal, my name is Jeff Green. I'm calling from... I'm actually one of the assistant managers here, and I'm calling you with a quick follow-up to make sure that our service at your last visit